Welcome to Mastering Solutions. In this motion problem, we'll be discussing the car that skids to a stop and how to draw a motion diagram for this. So with motion diagrams, it's all conceptual. There's no numbers or anything like that. It's just to help us conceptualize what is going on in the situation. So they tell us that this car is skidding and then it stops at some point down the road, and they want us to draw that. So right here, we're going to say this point is where the car starts. So it's going along at however fast it's going, and it starts at skid right here like we talked about. And now we're going to take snapshots at the exact same time all along here. So every time we draw a picture of a car, it's the same amount of time. Now obviously the car is not going the same speed, so it's going to be slowing down, and so the cars will be getting closer together. So right here to here, we'll say this is, I don't know, it doesn't really matter, like half of a second. And then another half of a second down the road, the car is going to be down a little bit further, but not quite as far because it's slowing. And now another half a second later, we'll draw another car here. Oh, these cars are not the same at all. That's okay. And now it's going to be even slower because it's almost stopping. Apparently when you skid, your car's tires shrink down. And then right here, it's essentially almost stopped. And now it stops right there. So you can see that every time we drew a car, it was half of a second, half of a second, half of a second. But since the car was slowing down, the pictures are going to get closer and closer together. So this is a motion diagram of a car as it starts the skid to when it finally stops moving right here at the end of the motion diagram.